Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Appearance settings. This is faster than hunting menus. Click the three dots, select Settings, then Appearance, and open Theme to reach Chrome Web Store. If you prefer your own image, open a new tab and drag a 1920x1080 image into it. Chrome accepts common formats. Once done, you'll be ready to pick or upload a wallpaper, so make sure image dimensions and aspect ratio match your desktop for best results. You now choose between a store theme or a custom upload. Both work similarly. If using the web store, browse categories and use filters for color and layout so the wallpaper complements icons. For a custom image, open a new tab, click Customize, Background, then Upload from Device. Pick the file and crop or fit as needed. Make sure to preview the result so text and shortcuts remain readable. Once satisfied, click Done to apply the wallpaper across new tabs. You finish by confirming the wallpaper appears on new tabs and matches your desktop feel. If it doesn't show, relaunch Chrome or sign out and back in to force refresh. Make sure sync settings aren't overriding themes. To revert, go to Settings, right arrow Appearance, right arrow Reset to default theme. If your custom upload fails, check file size and format and ensure Chrome has permission to read the image file. This solves most issues. If problems persist, try a different image or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.